Hey, I have a question. I've heard about something coming to town, storytelling. Oh, it's The Moth by NPR. Not the Daily Moth. No. It's called The Moth. What is that? Well, they tour the United States telling stories, and they'll do slams, story slams. And so they're coming to Tulsa in September. Oh, that's just for hearing people, right? Oh no, they're having a Deaf Voices. It's just for deaf people that are going to be participating in the workshops. They'll be learning how to share stories, how to stand in front of people and work out their nerves. So they're going to teach us how to do that. Ooh, that's kind of nerve-wracking. Oh no, but it'll be helpful. You'll have 3 days of workshops to teach you how to tell a story. And it's free. It's September. The information will be listed on the screen. So it's going to be all deaf and all signing. How does that, is it going to be ABC stories? Is it going to be cultural stories? Really, no. It's going to be stories about their theme, which is crossroads. So something that it was a pivotal point in your life. It could be when you were a childhood. It doesn't even have to be related to deafness, just about your life story. It could be funny, it could be happy, it could be sad. So yeah, how many people are allowed to register? Up to 15. So the presenters know ASL? No, there will be interpreters provided. Man, that's amazing. Are you going? Of course I am. Great, I'll join you. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Thank you for explaining that to me.